Hi, it's Denise with Ladybug Stampin', and I don't have a video tutorial for you guys today, but I have a special announcement. Can you tell by the title of the video? Yes, I am introducing a new monthly kit. This kit idea came actually from another demonstrator who is in the UK. Her name is Anne. Her YouTube channel is Positively Papercraft. I will leave a link down below to her channel. I ask that you go please check her out. I guess I had seen one of her, maybe when she announced this, she started doing this back in May. And maybe I didn't pay attention, or maybe I missed it altogether, but I was going through some YouTubes the other day and seeing this, and seeing her idea, and I thought, oh my gosh, this is what I have been looking for. And I couldn't come up with it myself. Now, I've tried other things in the past and didn't work out. And so when I seen this, I thought, this is brilliant. Maybe somebody else is doing it, but I don't know about it. I just know she's the one where I've seen the idea. So I contacted her. I reached out because I didn't want to just case the idea and just, take it out. So I contacted her. I wanted her permission to share this in the United States. She was wonderful. She said, yes, that's fine. And we even, did some talking about maybe future collaborations. I don't know yet. We'll see what happens. And again, I just want to thank you, Anne, for allowing me to case your idea. Okay, so yes, it is a monthly kit. It's a little different, like I said, what I've done in the past. And I know you guys see the stamp set, and the reason why I'm showing you the stamp set is because the kit actually is around, kind of goes off the theme of our animal outing bundle set or suite. And but I'm not gonna put this as part of the kit because that just makes the price go up. If you want to purchase this in addition to the kit, you are more than welcome. You can go to my online store and purchase this bundle. There is a bundle price, so if you purchase it together, you save 10%. Okay, y'all ready to see the kit? I'm excited. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! Yeah! Okay, so there's lots of goodies in here. So again, you can purchase, like I said, the stamp set over there. It's my online store. You can just use this for different projects if you want. The first thing you're going to get, of course, is some of our DSP that coordinates with this with the stamp set. This is called Animal Expedition, and I also have a little sticker on here. It tells you the name of the DSP and the order number if you want to order some more. Okay, so let me show you what you get in here. You're going to get 12 sheets. Now, there's only 12 sheets in this package because this is one of my paper shares. But I want to show you that I will have these in a 6x6. Normally this paper stack, Designer Series paper stack, is 12 by 12. But I cut it down to 6x6 so that I could, get more shares out of it. And now you're gonna, like I said, you're gonna get 12 sheets. You're gonna get 2 of these, which is front and back. You're gonna get 2 of these, front and back. Oh, this one's backwards. You're gonna get 2 of these, front and back. You're gonna get 2 of these, front and back. 2 of these, front and back, and 2 of these. I love this DSP. It's really cute, actually. And another thing I want to point out about this DSP is that the thinlits that go with this particular bundle actually cut out this giraffe, and the koala bear, and the rhinoceros. So you get double duty out of your DSP. Okay. Also, you're going to get a share of the frame elements. These are wood frame elements. I do use these in a couple of my samples, so that's why you're getting these. You're getting 2 sheets, or 2 sheets of this, and then 1 sheet of this style. Then you're also going to get some ribbon or twine, and this twine actually comes in a 4-pack of these 4 colors. So I just wanted to give you a share of each. And you're getting a yard of each one of these. So you're getting a yard of the mint macaron, the blackberry bliss, the grapefruit grove, and the crumb cake. Okay. You're also getting these 3 ribbons, and you're getting a yard each of these as well. A yard of the leaf is it? Yeah, just called leaf ribbon. Pineapple punch, a yard of the gross grain ribbon, and a yard of our linen thread. You're also going to get a blender pen this month. And the reason why you're getting this is because I do use this in a couple of the projects, so I wanted to send it to you guys. You're also going to get one of our acetate card boxes. Just thought I'd throw that in there so you guys could use that. I love to put, I can fit about 4 cards and 4 envelopes in here. Okay. You're also going to get 5 of our gusseted bags. These are 3 by 6. They make great little treat bags. You're going to get 5 of those. You're going to get a sheet of dimensionals to use with your products, with your cards, your projects, not cards, projects. You're going to get 5 envelopes this month. And then I'm going to put these aside real quick. You'll see those last. And then you're going to get, actually, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sheets of cardstock. You are getting the whole sheet, the 11 by 8.5 sheet. You may only use a little bit of each one, but you're going to have the whole sheet for other projects that you might want. You're getting Whisper White, Crushed Curry, Pool Party, Crumb Cake, Old Olive, Calypso Coral, Early Espresso, Lemon Lime Twist, and Call Me Clover. This is a new in color for the year. You're also going to get some die cuts. This is my little gift to you. You're getting some of these leaf punches in 3 different colors. You're getting some circle framelits, die cuts that I cut out. And then I'm also going to throw in a couple of these little leaf dies that I die cut. This is actually from a retired set called Botanical Gardens, and I thought it would go great with this theme, the animals. Then you're also going to get, I cut out the word baby using our large framelit, alphabet letter framelits, because one of the stamp sets in here, let's see, I'll show you. It's, well, the one of the sentiments says welcome little one, and it's because you got this, looks like mama and baby together. So I thought it would make a great little card if you had a little baby word. And then I've got some punches in here that are retired. If you want to do a boy card, you could do that. Or for a girl card, I put a little pink in there. So you got Berry Burst, Whisper White, and Powder Pink. And also, okay, so the punches are, and they're retired. And this one is from the Itty Bitty Punch Pack, and then our Petite Petals. This one right here, everybody loves. I will never, ever get rid of that punch. And then you also have a retired punch. It's like a label punch. And I put 3 of those in there for you guys. And that you can use some of the sentiments that it's actually in this set on there or a different set, okay? So I wanted to give you, what do y'all think? What do you guys think? I know I went really fast, didn't I? I'm trying to keep this video under, you know, a certain amount of time. So I wanted to go really through. This is like the 5th time I've recorded this video, guys. No, I'm just trying to keep it quick. All right, so let's get some details while I put this stuff together. The first thing is I will be posting this kit every month on the 15th. Yes, I know it's not the 15th. It's the 9th of July when I actually post this. Is it the 9th? What was today? Or will it be the 10th? I'm not sure. It'll be before the 15th. I'm doing that because I want to give you guys some time to, like, you know, look it over. And plus, I had to share it with you guys. I could literally not keep quiet no more about this because I'm so excited. But normally every month on the 15th, I will post what the kit will be. And then you'll have until the end of the month to reserve your kit. And then once you reserve it, I'll send out a PayPal invoice. You'll pay through that. And then on the 1st of the next month, the following month, I'll place the order to get all the items I need for each kit. And then once it comes in from Stampin' Up, I will get it together and ship it out to you. And that should be around the middle of the month, like the 2nd week in the month. It just depends on when I get it back from Stampin' Up. This will all come packaged. I'm not sure about the packaging yet. I know Anne sends hers in a 12 by 12 pizza box, but I want to try to keep the shipping down for you guys. and for me. So I don't know what we're going to do, but it will be beautifully packaged. I will do that for you. Okay, so what is the price? Okay, the price for all of this is $25. That does include shipping, okay? So all you do is pay that one price. You don't pay anything else. This is something I've put together using product out of the annual catalog. And so I wanted to, you know, and why I chose $25. Anne has hers for $20. That's in the UK. And when I converted, I wanted to keep it fair. I wanted to kind of keep it similar to hers. And so when I converted it, it was over $25. So I just went down to 25 and worked from that. And so, you know, I'll try to keep it kind of like how her kits are. Now, of course, her kit is a little bit different. She has a different theme this month. So it won't, you know, always be the same. All right, guys. So, but the idea is the same. Does that make sense? Okay. I know I'm talking fast. You guys will get a printout of 4 tutorials using the product in the kit. You don't have to make the projects. You can just use it for something else, or you can make the projects and then you still have plenty of items left over. I literally only used 2 pieces out of this whole pack to make for your cards. I only use a couple of sheets of this, of the DSP. That doesn't go in the kit. I'm gonna put that in there. The stamp set. The die cuts are extra just for you to use, or you can use them on something else. The ribbon, there's some ribbons that I don't use, so you guys can use it on different projects. So the blender pen you can reuse and reuse. And so that's why I love the idea. I loved Anne's idea. I don't think there's anything else, really. You're going to get the tutorial for the projects with your kit. I love to put little treats in packages when birthday presents or different things like that. So you guys will actually get a treat, and you can use you can use it with your project that I'm going to show you guys how to use it, or you guys don't have to, but you're still going to get a little treat. I don't want to share that out of the kit. That's going to be a little surprise to you guys. It's nothing big, but it's just something I would like to send you guys to kind of, go with the kit. All right, guys. Well, thanks for joining me. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Again, I will leave a link to the blog post that will give you more detail about this, and it will I'll put a list out of all the products that are in here. And also that's where you guys will find the reserve button to reserve your kit for the month. All right. Okay. Thanks for stopping by.